In Raman microscopy, using a high numerical aperture is key to collect as much Raman signal from the sample as possible. This high numerical aperture results in a very narrow focus plane. Especially for a 3D sample like these fibers, collecting clean visual image is tough. But there is a way to deal with this problem in Raman microscopy using something called 3D focus fusion. As you can see, the focal depth of the optical microscope is limited. Let's apply 3D focus fusion and see what happens. With a simple click, we have created a microscopic image with infinite sharpness. But that's not all. 3D focus fusion has also created a topographical map of the sample that we can use for our Raman measurement. Our Raman instrument can now automatically follow the sample's microstructure. It uses the topographical data to consistently execute measurements within optimal focus. This way, we receive highest signal-noise ratio no matter how the sample is orientated. Centera's 3D focus fusion not only solves the problem, it makes the most of it. Thanks for watching.